Now you know what? I love this song to bits. One of the songs that Simaro Masia Lutumba composed. You know, they called him the poet for a reason. He was such a great songwriter. May God continue resting his soul in eternal peace. So this song is called Maya, and it was done in 1985. And it might interest you to know that around that time, Franco had traveled to Europe to do recordings there. So Simaro Lutumba was chef de orchestra. He was the second in command, and was the one that used to run the day-to-day business of TPOK Jazz. So while Franco Mulago Market was away, Simaro Lutumba decided to do this song. And another one called Bon Samaritan, I think, yes, outside TPOK Jazz. So when an artist does a song, an album, or a collaboration outside their band, the song is called Nzonzing. So it's done outside the band. So Maya was actually a Nzonzing that was done by Simaro Lutumba. And you can be sure that Franco was not very happy when he came back, or when he learned that indeed Simaro Lutumba, chef de orchestre, had done something outside the band. But because of the mutual respect that Franco had for Lutumba and vice versa, he did not throw him from the band. Actually, Simaro was one of the people that really stayed with Franco for a very long time. There were songs that Simaro composed, there were songs that Franco composed, and everything else. But somehow they just stayed together. And Simaro, like I indicated, was chef de orchestre. He was the one that was more or less running the day-to-day business of OK Jazz. So here is a song called Maya. Now, the persona in the song is a man, and so the man is crying really, or complaining that he's been left by his wife, or the woman that he loves, that the woman went to somebody else. And so all he's doing is just lamenting about this thing called love. And I think the best, they say that the taste of the pudding is in the eating. I think the taste of this music will be in me, giving you the translation, the English translation. I'll try as much as possible to give you a word-for-word translation of the song Maya, 1985. It was Nzonzing, composed and done by Simaro Lutumba outside TPOK Jazz. The vocalist in this song is Kalito Lassa. These days he's born again. So he's the one that did the song. And he has such a sweet voice. You can be sure that he did plenty of justice to the lyrics that were equally very well written by Simaro Lutumba.
Maya, oh Maya, mon amour.
So it starts by saying Maya, oh Maya, mon amour. So Maya, oh Maya, my love.
Yoka mongongo mozali kobelela yo na kati ya butu.
Yoka mongongo mozali kobelela yo na kati ya butu. Listen to this voice that is calling you in the middle of the night.
yoka lokole na suka ya mboka.
Yoka lokole na suka ya mboka. So listen to, so lokole is some kind of a drum normally that used to be beaten to inform people about an event that is happening or something that the society needed to know. So he tells her, Yoka lokole na suka ya mboka. Listen to this drum from the end of the world.
Ozali moto kanisa.
Ozali moto kanisa. You are a human, so think or reflect about this.
Nakomi lokola litanga ya mbula pembeni ya ebale maya.
Nakomi lokola litanga ya mbula pembeni ya ebale maya. So I have just become like a drop of rainwater in a river.
Kasi atabutu eindi makasi.
Kasi atabutu eindi makasi. But know that even if night lasts forever,
Tongo ekosuka kase etana.
Tongo ekosuka kase etana. Morning just reaches, it dawns. However long the night takes, it dawns.
Nazali responsable na yo.
Nazali responsable na yo. I am responsible for you. I am the one in charge of you, more or less.
Yonde ozali coupable ya misère na ngai.
Yonde ozali coupable ya misère na ngai. And you are the one that is the cause of all my misery, all my suffering, more or less. Listen to how this song was done. Wow. Just so sweet, so very sweet, He says, Maya, ngai nakangi maboko na moto. Maya, I have actually put my hands on my head. It's more or less like he's doing this. And what does he add? Makambo matondi ngai motema. And it's because my heart is full of issues. My heart is full of words.
Nakomi kotanga mikolo na misapi nakomi ndeko banga.
Nakomi kotanga mikolo na misapi nakomi ndeko banga. I have started counting days with my fingers and I'm getting very afraid.
Bala liboso tosalaki matata.
Bala liboso osalaki matata. The first time that you caused trouble, Ezalaki kakaboy. It started just like this. The first time that you brought trouble in our love. Soki na fungola kimisote. And had I not opened my eyes, to mean, had I not remained stern, Olingaki oboyanga, you wanted to leave me, or to refuse me, or to drop me for that matter. Maya, ngai nati loboko nalitama Maya. I am putting my hand on the cheek, so I'm this way. Makambo matondinga motema. And there are so many words in my heart. Nakomi kotanga basanza na misapi. I have started counting months with my fingers, which means that he's not seeing her. Nakomi ndeko banga. I am very afraid. Bala liboso okendeki Isiro. So the first time we went to this place called Isiro, Ezalaki kakabo, it was just like this. Soki nafutaki tikete nalanda yo. If had I not paid for air ticket to follow you, or had I not cut a ticket to follow you, Olingaki yo ozongate. You did not want to come back. Maya na misui lolemo. Maya, I have actually bit my tongue. Nazoki makila masangani nasoya monoko. I have actually bit my tongue, and so I got hurt. The blood that is coming from the bleeding of the tongue has actually mixed with the saliva in my mouth. So he says, mosusu nabwaka, mosusu namela. So because there's a mixture of, blood and saliva in my mouth, I don't know. I'm going to swallow half of it. I'm going to, spit half of it. Mbalaileki osengaki divorce. So the last time you asked for divorce, you said you wanted us to divorce. Ebanaki kakabai. It began just like this, the way you are doing it. Soki nalandaki loleno nayo. Had I followed your ways, your mannerisms more or less. Ezalaki seto kabwana. We were going to get separated. Oh, Kinshasa. So he says, oh, Kinshasa. Kinshasa Mbokate. Kinshasa is not a good place. No, it's not a place, actually. So to say Mbokate, so Mboka means a place, let's say a country or a place. But now he says Kinshasa Mbokate means that Kinshasa is not a very good place. Moto azaliko kufa bango bazaliko seka, that somebody is dying, but for them they are laughing. Moto nakai kosenga conseil, someone that I want to seek advice from. Akominde koseka mpe kotongo ngai na pembeni. He is laughing and gossiping me on the sideways. The person that I asked, that I went to ask for counsel, is laughing at me and gossiping about me. It is such a surprising issue. Zuzu amesana kusambisa matata yangana yomai. Zuzi oyo amesana kusambisa matata yangana yo, and the judge that is used to solving our issues. Nzoka ndialula kayuli susu. So he also admires you. What? The person that has been solving our issues also admires you. Mokele complicated. So this world is very complicated. Oh mama na mipikoli suki na moto. Oh mama, I am actually pulling hairs from my head. That will actually mean that this person is very stressed or very restless. Sangonayoki na boende kondima. The news that I had, I have refused to believe. Nazangi confiance na moto inangamoko. So I have even lacked, trust in my own ears. I mean, the things that I have heard, I can't believe. Nzoto komi somo that my heart, my body is very, very horrified. Moto aliaka nangasa ni moko. The person that was eating with me from the same plate lelo oyo akoma mbanda. Today he has become my enemy or my rival. Mponiyo kanda lokola liwa. Why do you have this kind of hatred that is actually bordering on death? Zoba lokola ndoki, and you become silly or stupid like a witch, and you'd understand this is a song that is composed by Simarolo Tumbale poet. He was writing sometimes in things we call masese, in proverbs, that if you're not so keen, you may not get what he's saying. Oh mama na mipikoli suki na moto. Oh mama, I am pulling hairs from my head. Sango nayoki na boinde kondima. The news that I have heard, I can't believe it. I am in denial, more or less. Nazangi confiance na matoi na ngamoko. I'm actually not trusting my own ears, the things they have heard. Nzoto ekomi somo, my body is horrified. Moto aliaka nanga sani moko. The person that was eating with me from the same plate, lelo oyo akoma mbanda. Today they have become my rival. Today they have become my enemy. So mbanda is a rival, but mbanda is also an enemy. So the person that we used to eat together has become my enemy. Mponiyo kanda lokola liwa. So why do you have a hatred that is bordering on death? Is more like death. Ozali zoba lokola ndoki. You have become silly or stupid. Because zoba is someone that is stupid or not upright in terms of their brain. So you become as stupid as a witch. Simarolo Tumba, he could do this. Maya, nakumi lokola moto basui na nyoka. Maya, today I have become like someone that has been bitten by a snake. Nakomi kobanga ata muselekete ya mpamba. I am now afraid even of just a mere lizard, Pasi ya moninga, the pain that somebody is going through. Bakweka kasena matoi lokola lisolo. They just hear it in the ears, like just talk. Somebody's pain, you can only just hear it in your ears. Kasi eko sana yona mutema lokola yete, but it will never get to your heart the way it gets to the heart. Okay, somebody's pain, you can only just hear that somebody is hurting, but you may really never know how they are hurting. You can never feel really the hurt that people are going through. Baka, they share. So kokaba is to share. Baka. Badefisa, kodefisa is to lend. So they can share, they can lend, you can lend something to somebody. Basimbisaka, so you can actually take and give it to somebody. Kaka sembongo, only just money. So you can actually share money, you can give money, Kasim pasi ya bolingo, but the pain of love, there's no way to inherit the pain of love. Maladi ya bolingo, this disease caused by love Dokotola Zalakate. There's no doctor for the disease called love. Ekosila kase na moto oyo apesa ki yango. This disease only heals. It only ends with the person that gave it to you. This disease of love, it's a disease, but it's given to you by somebody. It's only that somebody that can again heal you from the same disease. Akende kebongo te atako asiliki. You don't go like that even if you're annoyed. Obunga kanzela yandakote. You cannot forget the road to the house. Kasi ekomi lelo ngana luka, but today it has reached a point of I'm looking for you. Toyoka na kabonga did not agree like that. Nalinga katoswa na mpoto mesana. I like it when we quarrel because we are used to each other. That is actually what happens with love. Bitumbabazua na miso batu, fighting and quarreling in people's eyes, I am used to, begging you or, pleading with you. Oh, Nzambe. Oh, God. Nzambe, nazuie tumbo. God, I have received this punishment. Nakangami na mutambo. I am actually stuck on a trap. So mutambo is more of a trap. So more or less like saying I'm actually trapped. I'm stuck on a trap. Lisumunini nasali. What sin did I commit? Mpona merite etumbu mutindo oyo, so that I can deserve this kind of punishment. Namekimpe mbala mingi, and I've tried so very many times. Mpona boya na boya so that I can actually mpona boya so that I can refuse or drop him or leave her, because the person in this song is a man. So he says that I've tried very many times so that I can leave her, kasina kwakate, but I am not able. I just can't. Epaiko bolingo. So this thing called love, so is this thing of love is the same as somebody being sick. Tokosuka boni, how shall we end, or how shall we finish this? Mukanda kutu nalingaki natindela yomaya. I wanted to send you a letter. After I wrote a letter and I wanted to send it to you. Epasuki na matanga ya motoki ya Suzi. The letter got torn by, drops of sweat that came from my worries. You can imagine what Simaro is saying. Such a poet. This is poetry at its best. Maya okomisinga kanda na mokili. Maya, you have given me such hatred for this life or in this world. Nzambe asala eloko ya bolingo. God created love. eloko ya monyokoli, and this causes a lot of suffering. So God created love, but this love causes plenty of suffering. Ngaiko nalelaka libala bandeko, and you know, I used to cry for marriage. Nzambe atindele ngai elima, and God sent me a spirit. I used to cry for love, for marriage. But this one of mine, God sent me a spirit. What? Ngaiko na tutili bakuya mabe. You know, for me, I am very unlucky. So libaku yamabe means bad luck. So I am very unlucky. Lisuma, so it's more like a curse, if you will. Likambote maya abala nayo, no problem. Let him marry you. Nazingi de maboko. I am given up on this. I'm holding my hands like this, you know. Or is it like this? I've given up. Ngai nakoluka moye na bosana. I'll try to look for all means to forget about you. Sokimpe na kokoka, if I will be able. Natingama lisusu nini nakangase motema. So what am I going to still stick to or hold to? I'll just persevere. So kokanga motema means to persevere. Awako bobotolinga yeo. So here you have taken her away from me. So kobotolo means to snatch from to snatch something from someone. So he's saying that they have snatched Maya from him. So whom have you replaced with? You know, you've taken away my Maya. What do I have? So I'm going to cry in the rain. So he says, Naboy elemboya pinzoli etikala na leloginagaya. He doesn't want tears to remain on his face. We put to say that he was crying. So that's why he's going to cry in the rain. Oyo nyoso faute ya mama, and all this is my mom's fault. Aponelanga imotema, she chose for me a heart. Motema ya kulinga baninga ya mokili. All this is my mother's fault. She chose for me a heart that likes to love my friends in the world. So let me suffer like this. And then there's a bit of verse 7. So here we call this Mabanga. It's said via Masasi wapi Balenge. So old man or old Masasi wa is Balenge. So it's just mentioning people's names here. sudden. Oh. We go back to the poetry, you know. Maya soki mokolo mosusu oloti ndoto na kati ya butu. And Maya, one day, if ever you dream in the middle of the night in your dreams, just mokili monona inote, this world is not ending. Tina nini bolingo na biso enuna. So why should our love end? I mean, this world is not ending. So why is our love ending? Maya soki moye ezali senga badanangaya sika. And if there's a way, Maya, please ask my rival, please ask your husband in this case. Mokoloyo okokumba zemi. The day you will become pregnant, senga permission, ask for permission from him. Mwana ya liboso yokobota, the first child that will give birth to. Azala mwana ya mobali. Let the first child you'll give birth to be a baby boy. Azwa kitoko nayo. Let him be as good looking as you are. Now listen to that. That one day, please ask for permission from your current man, from your husband, that should you become pregnant, let the pregnancy be of a boy, and let that boy be good looking, and ask him for permission so that you can give that child my name. What? Mokili monona inote. This world is not ending today. Tina nini souvenir na biso epola. So why are our memories, our souvenirs rotting? So kopola means to rot. So why are we wasting away or spoiling our memories, yet this world is not ending? What? So he just mentions a few people here. Tonton Tudila, I think, or Tonton Villa. So Uncle so and Uncle so. Tonton Donna, Tonton Villa. Uncle Tonton and Uncle Donna and Uncle Villa.
Bakali.
He mentions Bakali.
Tonton Amiso.
Again, Tonton Amiso. Yeah, so all these are dedications, more or less. Soki bomone lingai Maya. If you see Maya, boy bisaye, tell her. Epai akei, soki mobali atungisiye, where she went to. If that man disturbs her, azonga. Azonga, mponini aminyokola. Let her come back. Why did she go to suffer? Esika nae ezali awa. Her place is here. Na kangi maboko. So I'm just holding my hands. Nazali kozela, I'm waiting.
Nazali sena esika
atika kingai. I'm in the same place that she left me.
Naseya nzete ya madam.
Naseya nzete. So I'm just under the tree.
Nzambe asala eloko yo bolingo.
Nzambe asala eloko ya bolingo. So God created love.
Eloko yo monyokoli.
Eloko ya monyokoli. This is something that really disturbs or, makes people to suffer. This thing called love.
Nzambe asala eloko yo l'amour.
Nzambe asala eloko ya l'amour. God created this thing called love.
Eloko yo misere.
Eloko ya misere is something that, causes a lot of misery.
Nzambe asala eloko yo kweme.
Nzambe asala eloko ya koeme, and God created this thing of loving.
Eloko yo matata.
Eloko ya matata is a problematic thing.
Ngai kona lelaka libala bandeko nzambe.
Ngai kona lelaka libala bandeko. I used to cry for marriage. Nzambe atindele ngai kisimbi. God sent me a spirit, something that I can't even understand, Nzambe asala eloko ya bolingo. God created love. Eloko ya matata is a problematic thing. Oh, what a pity, Maya. Pity, Maya. What a pity, Maya.
Mama, pity.
Tango ya kolala nde tango toko kanisa. The time of sleeping is the time when we think, when we really think. So the time of sleeping is the time we think about what we shall do tomorrow. Maya atiangana program ya lobby. Maya has put me in tomorrow's programs. Wow. Maya kanisa kangaye. Maya, think about me. Butu ekomi molai. Nights have become very long. Tango eboy kotana. Morning is not reaching. It's not dawning. Yona kitoka ya magic, with that magical beauty. End of the song. Wow. You see, that's why Simaro Lutumba was actually called the poet, because he was such a serious composer of songs, and his songs were very emotional. They were full of imagery. He creates pictures in your mind with the words that he uses, or he used to use in his songs. And here is one such. So actually it leaves you with a clear mind of what this man is going through. Now that Maya is married to somebody else, you can imagine that picture of even him asking Maya to ask for permission from her husband so that they get pregnant, and the child actually the pregnancy is one of a boy, and the boy resembles Maya, and then he asks her to give him, the boy, his name. So it creates that picture of someone that is very desperate, yet there's nothing he can do